Pattaya's ghost building as seen from Valley High Pier. Koh Larn Island, that's our destination. You can charter a speedboat for way too much money, but you will get there in about 15 minutes. We are going to hop on one of these ferry boats because it only cost about US $1.
I want to shoot these beautiful girls over here. Oh, Batikap, very beautiful. Hello, how are you?
Even backpackers can be found on this ferry boat.
Okay.
The ferry boat crew is preparing to shove off. Off we go. Say goodbye to the ghost building and Pattaya. That's T.I.T in that direction over there. This body of water that we are sailing in is known as the Gulf of Thailand. Some folks call this immediate section Pattaya Bay. That's another ferry boat out there returning from Koh Larn Island. This little island ahead of us is private, and no boats are allowed to go there. That's Koh Larn Island ahead of us. This whole trip will probably take approximately 45 minutes. Believe it or not, this pier is relatively new. Please watch your step as you disembark. Let's get a glimpse of our fellow passengers as they parade ashore. That is what they call seafood. For those of you looking for the beaches, they are on the other side of the island. So, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment as you see fit. Plenty of more great stuff to come.